Gentlemen, welcome in the new workshop. As you might guess, everything is still under construction, but what I desperately need is a vise on my new workbench here. So that's one of the next things which I have to take care. And I have here two vises which I got for free. I don't know the make and model of these vises and where they were produced, but one of these vises is a cast iron one, and it is for my taste way too big and too chunky for this workbench. And the other one is a forged steel vise. It is in bad condition, but I think I will stick with this model here. And so follow me along how I do the restoration on this vise. First step is to build up some material here, because the vise jaws are not replaceable and everything is worn out and does not fit well anymore. So I will lay on some weld beads here to put on some material, and I will remove all of this nasty stuff here, which is from striking stick welding arcs. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. And I'm using 7016, which are the toughest ones I have on hand at the moment. I think this will take a while, but you get the idea. I need a vise to repair a vise. So what I'm basically doing here is I'm welding carefully over and over again to bring back the material which was worn off over the last decades. The original bolts were stripped, so I decided to take everything apart. I noticed that there is also material missing in this area here, so more welding. Now that I have some material to work with, I can start to shape the parts with my angle grinder. Oh my goodness, After hours of grinding and filing and shaping, finally done. Not perfect, but good enough for me. I went through all the grids with the angle grinder and covered the place in dust, but here we are. Looks nice. Next step is to clean everything with gasoline or paint thinner, and I want to paint it with my usual gray oil-based paint. So next job, paint job. And before you ask, yes, I'm painting my vise because I am not a blacksmith and I do not a lot of welding on this vise. Schmatze!
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so...
Yeah, nice vise. And I'm not bothering to grind off the paint here because it will wear off quickly anyway. I bolted the wires with 3 M12 bolts to my plate here, my steel plate, 12mm workbench plate, and here is how I strike my arc. I have a sacrificial piece of steel bolted to the thing, and here is my ground clamp also connected to the steel plate here, so I can weld here and strike my arc here. Okay, so I think there is not much more to say about a vise. I'm glad to have a vise now on my workbench, and yeah, I think thanks for watching and see you next time.
I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.